Bad Dog by Mike Boldt. Look what I got for my birthday! A pet dog! My dog has black and white fur, pointy ears, and cute little nose. Her name is Rocky, and she is a bad dog. Rocky doesn't listen like good dogs. Hey, Rocky, come. Aw, come on, you can do it. Rocky, come here, girl. See, Rocky is a bad dog. Good dogs like to go for walks, but not Rocky. And Rocky really doesn't like other dogs. She is great at climbing, though. Bad dog, Rocky, come down. Rocky doesn't listen. She's a bad dog. I'm teaching Rocky some tricks that good dogs do. Dog tricks for good dogs. Sit, Rocky. Stay. Rocky, fetch. Rocky, roll over. Shake a paw. Oh no. Rocky is not a good dog. But Rocky isn't all bad. Rocky doesn't bark when the mail is delivered. And Rocky doesn't have accidents on the floor. She doesn't chew my toys either, though she does like to play with my shoelaces. What else does Rocky like? Rocky likes to sleep in the sun, and sleep on Dad's chair, and sleep on Mom's clothes. Rocky really likes to sleep. Meow. I thought Rocky liked to play in the water. But she is not a fan of bath time. Come down, Rocky. See, Rocky still doesn't listen. She is a bad dog. With black and white fur, pointy ears, and a cute little nose. You know what? I think Rocky would make a pretty great cat. Well, most of the time. The